Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're working on Bosnport again. This time we're doing some final touch-ups for the scenery. I have got a list of what I want to do. So we'll go from this side first. I've got some blue, I'm going to put some blue paper on the back side of some of these back scenes just to make it so they can see skies since I can't quite paint them. Air-dried clay I've actually replaced with some milliput. This is just to fill in some of the gaps. Just something like this, or down that side. Just little gaps here and there. And I figured I'd use milliput because it's a bit more easy to work with. Tidy up back scenes. Yeah, that's just, if you look over here, I've got to cut some bits here. Tidy off a bit down there. Straighten that out a little bit. And also make this a bit more, well, level with this one. So that's that side done. More foliage. That's well, self-explanatory. Platform kiosks, just a bit more station scenery, really, just to help add a bit more variety. Basically, little gaps like here, here, maybe down here, just to add a bit more extra bits. More people. Have got more people. Probably about a few hundred of them. So I'll be working on them. Washing lines, that's just to add a little bit of decor to the back of some of the houses. So mostly these ones. I don't think I can get the ones over there because can't really see. No way, you can see the back ends of that. So I may try and put a washing line over there if there's spaces. Have got some other bits of scenery. We've got some park benches. Got some bicycles as well, and I can tie them in with the people. And some greenhouses and some sheds. That's just also to add a bit more touch of back garden scenery as well. And I'll see if I can do a little bit with the park there. And that'll be hopefully it for the main lot for scenery. Then we get to work on some other things. But first of all, let's get all this lot done. So yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, I should probably get around to doing it. Probably first things first is sort out these this part of the back scene and cut some bits up, just to sort out all that. And then I'll work on putting in the milliput, because that takes a while to dry. And while I'm doing that, I'll probably put together more people and give them some bicycles and paint the wheels, and maybe paint these as well. And get round to doing some more building stuff. So yeah. Oh, and I will obviously put some grass over the milliput when it dries. So yes, many things to do, and I should probably get around to doing it. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling on, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are with pretty much all the little bits of extra detailing done. I probably could do a few more bits here and there, but for now this will probably do. I've got this gap all filled in. Used some spray glue to get that all in. Probably could use a little bit more, but oh well. Do need to patch up a little bit of little gap there, but yeah, still bits here and there. I could probably shove down there. There we go. Yeah, it's looking quite nice. Got the shed back here. It's not glued in. Probably should glue that in at some point. Got greenhouse here, which was a bit wonky, but still it looks the part. Got all the people. No, that's the bicycle. I thought somebody has fallen over. Got people queuing for the bus. Which won't be that bus because that's the wrong bus. So yep, they'll be waiting there for a little while. Got this more or less done. Still a few bit patchy here and there. Could probably just cover them up with a little bit here and there. Tried to use the puffer bottle for doing this, but that didn't quite work. So I basically just dabbed it on by hand, which doesn't actually seem to be all that bad. So yeah, I'm happy with that. This is still a bit sticky because yeah, I used the spray glue, but I may just cover the inside wood with black card. When I get round to buying that is a different question, but that is the plan, and that should look quite nice and cover up these screws. So into the town, we have a few more people. So it's now looking like a more busy high street. I do want to add even more people. I have still got probably a few hundred, well not a few hundred, probably about 100 left to put together, but it's quite fiddly and I can do it in half a day. But yeah, looking quite nice now. So much more lively. You can see every part of the high street has at least somebody there. Let's see, I've got the little war memorial down there with the people having a natter next to their bikes. Got lots of people on the platforms and also the canopy. Got people underneath there, but I do need more people underneath there. For the station kiosk, yeah. Yes. Less said the better. We'll get around to rebuilding that, but not today. It just didn't seem to go quite as planned, so I just basically gave up on it and just concentrated on everything else. As you can see, I've got some blue paper back here, just to make it look a little bit less. It makes it actually look a bit more neater. Seams don't seem all that bad, but yeah, it just helps cover up the rough work behind. And if I stop getting stuck to the glue on the other back scene, yeah, quite nice. Like I said, a few bits which I can just fill in here and there to be done some over time. But yeah, for the milliput, I basically ran out of that colour. I actually had to resort to using some of my black colour for tidying up some bits over here. Let's see, I've got some workers down there. They look like they're in overalls, so yeah, they're workers now. Still need, like I said, to sort out a bit over here. But like I said, I ran out of milliput. Well, the terracotta milliput, because it's brown colour, so it. But for now, it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, most of it is done, and I'm happy with it. And yeah, pretty much sorted. I said I will add more people, and also a bit more variety of people, and add a bit more of this this type of foliage just to help make some edges not quite as sharp. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much done. Now I can get to work on getting these points working, which is for the next video. So I'll be working on the point control, and I may switch out the latching relays to automatic ones, because that's what I've done to Minstow Road, and I'm happy with them. And just to help sort out the complication, I may just switch out these other ones here to the automatic ones. So it will cost me a bit more, but in the long run it will help with any headaches. And if need be, it'll mean I can switch these manually and it won't bother anything at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, I'm going to tidy up, get rid of the abomination, which is my station kiosk. It is at least the right size. It would live here. So yeah, you'd live there. But yeah, that doesn't quite look all that nice. I might make it a bit thinner. Otherwise, that's going with recyclable in. Yeah, very happy with it. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. If you did like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, hope you enjoyed it anyway. And I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye.